they want to give 2 and 3 months. They don't want to give too much time for learning any language. So this video is especially dedicated that who want to learn English language and they don't want to give too much time. Hello everyone, welcome back to Practice with Pooja YouTube channel. So in today video, I will discuss that who want to learn English language but they want to give 2 and 3 months. They don't want to give too much time for learning any language. So in this topic, I will discuss. Further ado, let's get into the video. So this video is especially dedicated that who want to learn English language and they don't want to give too much time. Take too much time for learning English language. You are learning English language 0 level to high level. So you will have to give too much time for learning English language. But I want to say another that who know English language little bit but they want to increase your fluency, they want to speak confidently so they can speak English within a 2 and 3 months. But you are learning English language 0 level to high level, so you will have to give too much time, means 1 year, 1.5 years. But you cannot learn English language 0 to high level 2 and 3 months. Only you can learn making a sentence within a 2 and 3 months because it's a very difficult task. When you will learn making a sentence, then it's a very easy task. After making a sentence, you can start the English speaking and you can speak English 4 to 5 and 6 months. But first of all, you will have to give 2 and 3 months for making sentence models. You will have to study all thing. I want to share my experience when I was learning English language. So I was not know anything about English language. So I had started 0 to high level English. So what was happened in that day? I used to make sentence. I had completed task 2 and 3 months for making a sentence. After making a sentence, I had taken time 4 and 5 months for speaking. And I did work only my speaking because I had completed task 2 and 3 months for making sentence. Then I did work only speaking. Then now you can see, you can look to me, then I can speak English little bit. I am not saying that I can speak English like a fluent person, any communicator, but I can speak English in front of public and I can make video because there is no any hesitation for making a video, for speaking in a publicly. So if you are learning English language 0 to high level, so you will have to give too much time. I had also given 1.5 years for learning English language. Then I can speak like this. Can you imagine that we can learn English language 2 and 3 months and you want to learn English language 0 to high level? No, you cannot speak. So you have to give too much time for learning English language 0 to high level. You will have to give too much time, means you will have to give 1.5 years for learning English language. If you will complete little bit tasks, then you can speak English. But if you say I can speak English 0 to high level, I can speak English fluently, I can speak English like any communicator, like any fluent person within a 2 and 3 months, you cannot do. You will have to analyze yourself. If anybody can speak English 0 to high level 2 and 3 months, then it's a very good. In my own experience, I think anybody cannot speak English 0 to high level within a 2 and 3 months. So dear friends, you will have to give too much time, 1.5 years for learning English language. Then you can speak English confidently and also without any hesitation. But you will have to work continuously. If you will do work regularly, then definitely you can learn English language nobody can distract you and nobody can say that you cannot speak English. But another way, you will have to do practice, you will have to do work regularly, then you can speak English. So it's my own experience, it's my own suggestion that I shared with you. Dear friend, how is this video? Please tell me in comments box. And if you are new in this channel, so please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon that you can get notification in a new video. Thank you. Bye bye.